Hello, I'm Chris with the Legacy team, and today we're going to take the turned bun foot that we produced in another video and actually make it into an 8-sided bun foot shape instead. So let's show you how that's done on Legacy CNC Turning Center. The blank for this bun foot is mounted into our Turning Center workstation using a 4-jaw chuck. All the cutters shown throughout this demonstration are from magnate.net. The surfacing cutter is used to quickly rough the material, but also to cut the precision joinery on the square end of the blank. All the cutting techniques shown throughout this demonstration were programmed using Legacy's Conversational Cam Pro software. This software gives Legacy customers the ability to create unlimited turning possibilities. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It's pretty awesome watching that lacing technique take place on this custom profile design. All Legacy CNC customers have the ability to create literally any turning shape that they desire. If you would like to see what Legacy CNC systems can do for you, feel free to visit our website at lwmcnc.com, or you can call a CNC expert at 801-491-0010. To see more turning demonstrations like these, click right over there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check the notification box so you can be notified when new videos like these come out. And as always, thanks for watching. And remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.